Are you looking for a high quality gaming chair? Well, I think I got the perfect one for you. Let's talk about it. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. And on this channel, we do a whole bunch of tech and audio reviews, and sometimes we'll throw the occasional gaming chair in there. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And when you do that, don't forget the bell notification right next to it. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. And as always, buds, with all these products, the link will be down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the current price and see other people's reviews. So let's get to the showcase of this chair. All right, buds, so right here we have the VERTAGEAR SL5000. This is one of the most premium gaming chairs that you can get out there. It's a really good brand. If you're into gaming stuff, I'm pretty sure you've heard of this brand or you've seen this brand somewhere before. But we're gonna be breaking down this chair right here. So I just wanna say that VERTAGEAR did send this to me because I reached out to a whole bunch of different companies to see if anyone would send me one of their gaming chairs. They were the only ones so far that had reached back to me. They sent the chair fairly quick. So I really appreciate VERTAGEAR. Thank you for sending the chair, you know, helping the channel and sending products for me to test out and stuff. So let's get to the breakdown. All right, but so for the price of this chair, the chair is going for about $390, so basically in the $400 range. It is a premium price for sure. We did do a lot of budget gaming chairs on here as well. I put the cards up there throughout the video, so look out for those. But yeah, this chair is going for $400. It comes in 7 different colors. You can get it in white, green, all black, this red. You can also get it in like a midnight blue, where it'll be more blue than the black on the chair. They also have a camel color as well. So you can definitely check out all those colors. I'll leave the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and go check that out yourself. So when it comes to installing the chair, it's really easy. I didn't have no problem. This is for sure, hands down, the easiest chair to put together that I had at all of the other 3 gaming chairs on this channel. It comes pretty much put together. The armrests are already connected to the chair, the seat of the chair, and all you have to do is slide the back on, which was easy as well because it just slides into some brackets and then you just twist in the 4 screws that it comes with. And of course, you also got to connect the seat to like the bottom part, but that's pretty much it. Other than that, it was really easy to install. When it comes to the quality of the chair, this chair is really high quality. Right when you take it out of the box, you'll see it. Right when you feel it, you'll know like, okay, I'm definitely getting my money's worth. This is definitely worth the $400 that I paid for it. So when you touch it, you'll know like, man, this is premium qual right here. So I really do like the quality of this chair. I like the way it feels. One thing you'll notice right away, right when you put your chair together, is it's heavy. It's no joke. It's really, really heavy. You're like, man, this thing is a monster. One thing that has to do with that is the bottom, the base of the chair where the wheels are. Unlike a lot of gaming chairs, they have, you know, the plastic frame of it. This one is aluminum, and right when you take that out, that thing is really heavy. But regardless of the weight, the wheels roll really smooth and handle all that weight easily. You just glide anywhere with these things because the wheels are really thick on this chair, and it's really smooth just pushing around or rolling around on it. So when it comes to the look and feel of the chair, one thing you're gonna notice right when you sit in there is the seat is very comfortable. I really like the cushion of this chair. This is probably one of my favorite cushion chairs. For sure, hands down, out of the ones that we've tested on this channel. From the highest point, from the top of the seat to the floor, is about 20.5 inches, I believe. So you guys can definitely try that out. I am 6'5", so my legs have no problem. And as well, when it's at its lowest setting, my wife, who is 5 foot tall, she had no problem. This is one of her favorite seats when it comes to size-wise, because her feet were, you know, flush to the floor with no problem. So it definitely works with all sizes. So one thing I noticed about the chair right when I sat in there is the length difference compared to a lot of the other chairs we tested. You'll lose a little bit of length. That might be better for people a little bit shorter as well, because then your legs will automatically drop off right away and hit the floor. For a lot of taller people, you will probably feel the difference, feel like you're hanging off a little bit, but it doesn't really bother me too much. But it also could be because I was sitting in another gaming chair for so long that I got used to the length. All right, so this is what my legs look like. Like I said, I am 6'5", so this is how high it sits. And we're gonna go to the lowest point. So then you'll sit a little bit more lower. And like I said, because it's not as long, it will be much easier for people a little bit shorter, for them to just, you know, their legs to hit the floor way easier than have that extra length. For them, it's way better. So you can recline the chair as well, and you can also lock it in place by pulling it in and out like a lot of chairs, where it won't budge. And if you pull it out, then you can rock it into rocker mode. So rocker mode. And then to recline the chair, you'll just pull right here, and you'll just chill. So you can just do that as well. You can lock it in place so you don't rock and it just sits there. But I like when it rocks. It leans back way further. All right, another thing I want to talk about. In my comments, I get a lot of questions. People are like, what about the big people, bro? How are the sides? Are they too, they're really high. These ones are really, these are the highest ones that we had. So you might not like this one because it doesn't flatten out like some of the ones we did on here. These ones are really pronounced and they stick up high. These are definitely the highest side cushions that we've had on this channel. So now we have the back. The back, you got your padding cushions on the side right here, sticking out as well. And then you have like your little back padding. Normally when you have the pillows in, you really won't feel this too much. I rarely feel this on any of my gaming chairs. It does feel like a tighter padding on all gaming chairs. Something like in your gym, your high school gym, you know, the padding against the wall. That's the kind of feel that a lot of gaming chairs have. This one's a little bit more comfortable, but normally your body will like just be on these pillows more than anything. And speaking of the pillows are really soft. This is definitely one of the softest pillows I've had out of all the chairs, and this one as well. I still need to break it in. I'll do like a review update after a couple months of using it to let you guys know. Right now we're just showcasing everything on this chair. So now we got the armrest. The armrest has like a really like hardish padding. They do go up and down as well, like that. So they get pretty high actually. And then you could just drop it down just with a little switch right here on the side. They also go back and forth depending on how far you need it. So you can slide it back like that. There's a little button right in here. You guys can probably see it on this one. There's a button right in there and you just slide it out. So they can go back and forth as well. And they also can go in and out, not too far, but if you press it, you can see just a little bit more to give you more space in there. And the button is right here on the inside. So you got 3 different functions on the armrest, and then you can twist them as well. You can twist them in, you can twist them out, and twist them in. So yeah, this chair is a really good chair. Definitely for, you know, anyone looking for a gaming chair, an office chair, something really nice. It is pretty pricey in the $400 range, but you definitely get the quality that you're paying for. If you want a high quality chair, you know that you're gonna enjoy and like, you can definitely check this one out. They also have different ones on their website. We'll see if we can get some of those to review. Hopefully there's some more budget ones, and then we'll do that on this channel as well. All right, but so there you have it. I just wanted to show you guys the chair, show it off. I want to do a showcase. I would definitely do a review in a month or so of how I feel about it after using it for a few months and just having a whole bunch of hours sitting there, because this is normally where I'm at most of the day when I'm not working. So I definitely will do a review for you guys. So this is just a little showcase, show you what it looks like, show you what I think it feels like, and the little things I noticed right away. But if you guys like this video, buzz, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification right next to it so you guys will be notified when I post new videos. And to all my subscribers now, once again, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. And as always, buds, the link for this product will be down in the description below, so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see other people's reviews. So if you guys want to know any more information about this chair, just click the link down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be like a speaker review or something. But everyone, be safe out there. Take care of you and your family. I'll see you guys. Peace.